Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to take a picture and put it into Desmos and then put a parabola on top of it. So we're going to go into our Desmos app. Now I've already taken a picture of a parabola. It's my daughter doing a back handspring on the balance beam. To put that picture in, we're going to go to that upper left hand corner and we're going to see our plus sign. Tap that plus sign and it's going to give you a list of things that you can put in. We're going to import an image where it's a previously taken photo, so from my photo library. I'm going to go to all my photos and I'm going to find her and hit done. Now, if we want to make this picture bigger, we're going to tap on the picture itself and drag from a corner. To move this picture left and right, up and down, we're going to go from that center dot. Now, we want to make sure that our picture is going to be crossing over both of our X and Y axes, as well as we can see where that vertex should approximately be. Untap that picture so that it stays put. Now to get the parabola, we have to enter in the standard form of our parabola into number 2. Standard form of the parabola is ax squared plus bx plus c. Now to type that in, we are going to go hit the ABC button so we can pull up that A. Get back to the number 1, 2, 3 on the bottom left so we can hit x squared. So ax squared plus, we're going to go to the ABC button, hit B, and back to the 1, 2, 3 button to hit our X, plus back to the ABC button to hit C. And they give us an option to add sliders. Sliders are going to help us adjust that parabola. We want to add all sliders. Now, we see when I tap on that blue parabola that I have it there, but that doesn't look like the parabola that my daughter formed. First and foremost, she's an upside down parabola. She's a sad parabola, so it's going to have a negative A value. Now, that slider, it has a scale that goes from negative to positive 10 and a blue dot. I'm going to use that blue dot to adjust it. So first and foremost, we want it to be a negative. Why? Because she's upside down. Then we're going to adjust the B value so that we try and get it pretty close to where she is, pretty centered. Now, to adjust that parabola up and down, we're going to use the C value. As the C value goes up, the parabola goes up. As the C value goes down, the parabola goes down. Now, I don't think I made it quite wide enough, so I'm going to adjust that A value just a smidge more. I'm going, oh, I can't get it just perfect. I wanted that to be at negative 0.4. If that's the case, you're going to type on the A value, and you have to delete what you don't want. Now, is the button right above that blue arrow? It looks like a sideways pentagon with an X inside. Tap on that and it's going to delete it. We want negative 0.4. Oh, that looks much better. But now we're going to have to use that slider again. If you want to use the slider, you have to tap on a different equation and use the slider to move it around a little bit. So where do I want it? Oh, that looks much better. Oh, again, not quite perfect. Let's delete that. I want a negative 0.3. That looks good. Now, your equation is going to be good, but not perfect. That's to be expected. But now we have everything we need. I'm going to tap on my blue parabola so it's a dark blue, and we're going to see all the points we want. We're going to see the x-intercepts. We're going to see the y-intercept, and we're going to see our vertex. Now, to take a picture of this to import it into any assignment, we're going to hit the power button and the home button at the same time, so time it right. And we're going to see it pop up in my bottom left-hand corner. Tap on that. Now, we can slide this over so all we're seeing is our picture. We're going to hit the upper left-hand corner where it says done, and I'm going to save this to photos. Now, when I go to photos, not only do I have the picture of the parabola with all my great points in it, but also the original picture that I used so that I can import this into my extra credit assignment. And that's how we use Desmos, to import pictures and to find that equation for that parabola.